Hello friends, it's Kim Odakoven, KRO Designs here on my channel. This is Kelly herself. K&Co Bow has a brand new fall collection that is scheduled to be released this Friday, September 21st at 5 p.m. Pacific. I know you guys are going to tune in because her classic bows are absolutely timeless and they work wonders on our planners. She's known for her black and whites, of course, as you can see from the tissue, but she always has exquisite packaging that just makes us want to breathe in our purchases. All right, let's unbox this great fall release. And as expected, she never disappoints with her wonderful attention to detail. This first bow is a grosgrain ribbon with a pearl drop. It has a pearl on the bottom along with a lavender bead, and the center closure is velvet. Yes, you've got it. There's obviously a fall collection, and so velvet is prominent in this box. I can't wait to see the next one. Here is this matching bow charm, and as expected, it has wonderful drop beads. It has 4 charms to be exact. They have a stacked layer, a gold, a lighter lavender and a darker lavender on top. And don't forget that velvet closure with the grosgrain ribbon. Her attention to detail, as I've stated earlier, is second to none. There is no one out there that makes bows as well as Kelly. And let's look at these wonderful velvets. She does have different choices and options for this closure part near the center. This one has clearly a velvet closure with this burgundy. Let me take it off this card for you, and so you can take a better look. It is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Again, here is this blue, and now I just want to pick up one of these black clips, these velvet black clips, so you can see the difference. So the velvet is quite dark in blue nature, but it is completely not black. This is a wonderful deep blue with this velvet on the closure as well, and all of these have gold clips with them. Here is an absolute #1 fave of mine. I'm becoming more neutral some days, and so it's nice to have a wonderful neutral. This is more of a beige or skin tone. As you can see, it almost melts into my hand. The colors are so precise, but that gold glitter closure just adds that touch of elegance and sparkle in your planner. And here's the next one. This one is definitely a stunner. This is more of a green, not a Kelly green, but more of an emerald, I would say. Again, gold clip with the gold glitter closure. And these are all single bows. She does carry double bows in her store, so you can look for those as well. And here are some of my favorites. This is just a wonderful pearl charm clip, very dainty. It has pearls clustered in a circle, and they are raised, they are graduated. So as you can see, it comes to a point in the center, and the back is covered so it won't hurt your planner or your pages, in a wonderful felt. And here are 2 more dangles. And the best part about these clips is that you can change out these clips as well. You can put them on either a black clip or silver if you want to mix metals, but here you go. Up close peek at this one. This is a butterfly charm right here, along with a cluster of grapes there. And then we have just a couple. One is an oval shape, one's a pearl, and then one is a lightly lavender seed bead. Again, they are gold all the way around. And here is our last dangle of the box. It has these wonderful lavender seed beads here, but also let's not forget there's a leaf for fall, of course, and this pearl with a lighter lavender on top, another gold seed bead, but hiding beneath there is this rose die cut. Hope you can see that, along with a lavender crystal bead as well. How wonderful will that look hanging out of our planners? You know, Kelly never disappoints, and this for sure has been another stunning release by Miss Kelly herself, K&Co Bow. If you guys need to pick up some, go ahead and check the description box below for a coupon code and a link directly to her store so you won't miss out on this great addition to her line. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.